This industrial safety footage highlights a critical incident involving a high-speed automated robotic arm, where an employee entered the operational radius and became trapped by the machine's programmed motion. This serves as a vital reminder to strictly follow safety protocols to prevent mechanical hazards in automated environments. First, always respect safety barriers and never cross perimeter lines while equipment is active. Second, ensure robotic zones are equipped with smart safety features like light curtains or infrared sensors that trigger an emergency stop upon a breach. Third, implement a strict lockout-tagout (LOTO) procedure to de-energize machinery before any manual inspection. Finally, workers must maintain situational awareness of motion paths and blind spots. Prioritizing these measures ensures that every team member remains protected. This footage documents a severe workplace incident during the unloading of cargo from a flatbed truck. While a worker was positioned on the trailer to adjust a bundle of steel beams, the load unexpectedly dislodged from the crane hook and fell directly onto the individual's lower limbs. The primary causes were a lack of a designated signal person and improper rigging procedures. To prevent such events, workers must never stand under a suspended load and must stay clear of the red zone. All hoisting operations require a qualified spotter to provide immediate warnings. Furthermore, all slings and hooks must be inspected prior to use to ensure the load is balanced. Comprehensive safety training is essential for hazard recognition. Safety is a collective responsibility. This video serves as a powerful reminder of the critical importance of workplace safety within industrial environments. The footage captures a moment in a factory where workers are operating heavy machinery when an unexpected equipment failure leads to a severe incident. During the operation of a large-scale machinery, a worker was positioned too close to a high-risk zone. Due to a lack of coordination or technical failure, the machinery struck the worker directly, resulting in a tragic accident that unfolded too rapidly for anyone to react. This serves as a vital wake-up call to always maintain safe distances from operating radius or suspended loads. Strict equipment inspections and the proper use of PPE are essential lines of defense, but unwavering focus is the key to preventing irreversible consequences. Safety must always come first to protect yourself. This industrial safety footage highlights critical workplace incidents where individuals entered an automated, robotic arms operational radius while it was active. In these situations, the equipment followed its programmed cycle, leading to dangerous mechanical entrapment. Because these automated systems may not detect unexpected obstacles without specialized sensors, workers can become caught between the machinery and fixed structures. To maintain safety, never cross safety lines or perimeter fencing while the system is in operation. Work zones should be equipped with infrared sensors or light curtains to automatically cut power if an unauthorized entry occurs. Furthermore, always implement lockout-tagout (LOTO) procedures to de-energize equipment before manual inspections. This video documents a serious workplace safety violation involving an industrial robotic arm. A technician entered the robot's operational zone without following mandatory safety protocols. Because the machinery was not de-energized or properly locked out, the robotic arm continued its programmed cycle, making forceful contact and knocking the individual out of the work area. To prevent such incidents, strict adherence to lockout-tagout (LOTO) is required to isolate all energy sources before inspection. Workers must never enter restricted zones or the swing radius of a robotic arm while the system is operational. Automated areas should utilize safety barriers and sensors to stop machines automatically. Maintaining situational awareness and following site regulations is the only way to ensure personal safety. This industrial safety alert provides a crucial analysis of a machinery accident to prevent future workplace incidents. The documented case involved a manufacturing worker who entered the swing radius of a robotic arm while it was in automatic mode, inadvertently ignoring safety floor markings due to a lapse in situational awareness. The individual was struck by the moving equipment, leading to severe injuries. Key root causes identified include a lack of physical safeguarding, as the area lacked perimeter fencing, and insufficient hazard recognition by the operator. To ensure a safe environment, management must implement rigorous machine guarding and interlocking sensors. Every worker must maintain constant vigilance and strictly follow protocols. This footage captures a serious industrial incident where a maintenance worker's arm became entangled in a moving conveyor belt due to a failure in safety protocols. This highlights the critical need for strict compliance with workplace regulations to prevent such accidents. Lockout, tagout, LOTO must be strictly followed to isolate energy sources before any repairs. Personnel must wear proper PPE and avoid loose clothing. Always maintain a safe distance from active machinery and ensure all staff receive hazard recognition training. This industrial safety alert analyzes a serious workplace incident at an aluminum foundry to emphasize the critical importance of safety protocols during production. A worker entered a robotic arms operating zone to troubleshoot a conveyor issue without first disconnecting the power or using an emergency stop. As the individual leaned into the machine's path, the programmed arm struck and pinned them against the frame, resulting in severe injuries due to high mechanical force. This serves as a vital reminder to never enter an energized hazard zone. Facilities must strictly enforce lockout, tagout, LOTO procedures, utilize physical safeguards like light curtains, and provide comprehensive training to prevent complacency. Prioritizing these safety standards over production speed is essential to protecting lives and ensuring a secure work environment for everyone. This footage highlights a critical workplace safety incident during routine truck maintenance. While a technician was inspecting the area beneath a tilted cab, the hydraulic system or safety locking mechanism suddenly failed. The massive weight of the cab collapsed unexpectedly, trapping the individual before they could react. This serves as a vital reminder to always follow strict safety protocols. First, perform rigorous equipment inspections to ensure safety pins and locks are functional. Second, never rely solely on the vehicle's internal lifting system. Always use secondary supports like heavy-duty jack stands or steel safety struts. Finally, mind your positioning and avoid placing your body directly under unsecured loads.